all, after watching all of these events, are we all kind of up there or down here?
Up there.
Up there, very nice. Okay, very good energy now. All right, so as we're about to enter into the most exciting, and I'm sure it's the most awaited event, which is the Indian art forms. This evening, we'll embark on a vibrant journey through the heart of India, a land where every corner tells a story, every color has a meaning, and every rhythm echoes the pulse of centuries-old traditions. And this is not just an event, it's a celebration of India's incredible artistic legacy. A legacy that has inspired, captivated, and mesmerized the world for generations. Now this segment is conceived, planned and led by Ms. Nisha Mannat. Nisha is a dancer, choreographer based out of Sydney and an IT professional. She's also a newsreader and correspondent with the channel Aussie TV Malayalam. As a very passionate dancer, she has captivated audience with her diverse performances across multiple stages. Get ready to be mesmerized by Nisha Mannat, bringing together 109 talented dancers from different Indian states to showcase diversity. Yes, give them a big round of applause, guys. And today you're going to see elegant dancers from Bharatanatyam of the south to the energetic Bhangra of the north, and from the classical Kathak to the folk dances of the east and west, which is like the whole of India, right? So let's bring together the rhythm, the music and the energy up as these guys come onto the stage. So let's welcome them with a big round of applause, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are starting this multicultural dance journey with Bharatanatyam, a classical dance form from the state of Tamil Nadu. Renowned for its elegance, precision and passion, this ancient dance form is one of India's most beloved and widely practiced classical dance styles. We invite you to join us as Natyakala, coordinated by Preeta Matthews, presents a captivating performance that showcases the essence of Bharatanatyam.
Mage